Today we're checking out RCS's Premier Series gas grills. The main grilling area measures 30 inches wide by 18 inches deep, and it can grill up to 21 4-inch round hamburgers at a time. The cooking grids are constructed of solid stainless steel rods, and they rest above ceramic briquettes held in stainless trays. The trays make it a little easier to clean the briquettes by allowing you to turn them over to burn off the excess buildup. The RCS Premier 32-inch comes with 4 12,000 BTU stainless tube burners for a total output of 48,000 BTUs. The burners are lit with RCS's electronic SureStrike ignition, and for secondary ignition they have you covered with an installed flash tube. To ensure quick ignition of each burner, each has a crossover tube between them, which allows the burners to light off of each other quickly. Other nice features include a removable stainless steel warming rack, a 12,000 BTU rear ceramic infrared burner on their 32-inch model for use with an optional rotisserie kit, a full-width slide-out drip tray for easy cleanup, and a built-in hood thermometer. Now we'll perform our XRF test on RCS's Premier Grill. The test showed the cooking grids are made of 448, the trays that hold the ceramic briquettes are made of 429 stainless, and the firebox is made of 430 stainless. The grill's burners are made of 304 stainless steel, the control panel is 430, and the drip pan is 429. The interior and exterior of the grill's hood is made of 430 stainless steel. Thank you for watching.